Today we are going to do 2 different kinds of secret messages. The first one, we'll need lemon juice, a paintbrush, a cup, an iron, and white paper. And the other one, you'll need colored pencils, a white crayon, and white paper. Okay, so first you'll use the white crayon on the paper and you can hide it like this. Now that I have written the message, I will deliver it. I think there's something in my mailbox. I think it's a secret message. I'll coat it with these colored pencils. Sneak. It says, "Hi, sneak the food." Okay, I have sneaked the food. Nobody will know. The reason the secret crayon message works is because the white crayon wax blends in with the paper and the pencils cannot go through the wax. So when you write over it, you'll see what it says. The other way to do a secret message is with lemon juice. I'm gonna test it. You can also squeeze a lemon. Okay. Lightly write your message. Don't put too much lemon juice on it. Okay. Then let it dry. Okay, now that my secret message has dried, I'll put some paper over it. Then I'll reveal it by putting an iron over it. A heated iron. We're trying this again.
You see it yet?
Yeah, I see it.
Let's make it a little more clear.
So, lemon juice has sugar, and when sugar gets hot, it turns brown. So, the iron heated the sugar to turn it a little brown. The message is, find it. Have fun!